सर आज ही कल जिन्ना निकलना आज ही कल
फोटो आज ही खींचते
मैं नाल खड़ा होगा ना पीछे
कोई
कैटरिंग वास्ते
Ranjan from Rajasthan, SM Akhtar from UP, and my friend Amol Gupta, and my own office bearers. I welcome to this first Northern Central Regional Conference. And I appreciate and I am very happy that the initiative which has been taken by all these 7 chapters is really very fruitful, and the gathering here itself really proves it. And I am very, very happy about the participation of all the 7 chapters. And as a token of gesture of respect to all the 7 chapters, I would request Mr. Yudhvir Singh to present bouquet. Present a bouquet to Mr. Girish Mistry, chapter chairman of. Now I will request Mr. Kapil Mehta to present a bouquet to Mr. Alok Ranjan. I request Mr. Devekush to present the memento to Mr. SM Akhtar, our chapter chair, UP chapter. I would request Mr. Handley to present a bouquet to our guardian of all the 7 chapters, Mr. Yadav. I am really grateful to you, sir.
And I take this opportunity to present my bouquet to architect Charanjit Shah, who is the architect of the NCR.
Thank you. Hopefully we'll share each other bouquet in the evening. Thank you very much. And to start the meeting, I would request my eldest chairman, architect Girish Mistry. I propose him to chair the session, to chair these deliberations of today's first Northern Central Regional Conference meeting. Mr. Girish Mistry.
I propose that.
No, it's not the question. The chapter chairmen are the representative of the chapters. And there is no question of seniority and guidance. No. One of the chapters chairmen.
I think he is here enough. No problem.
That's what I
The guardians are
And
guardians.
Mr. Charanjit has a proposal. I have seconded it already. And
Few of us are also sitting. Are we sitting here as observers or just watching, or we are supposed to leave that also?
No. Yes, sir, no.
Meeting must be.
Very well pointed.
Mike, it's not
No, very well.
We are not talking any confidential.
I went there. I asked for the permission.
You are into the organizing capacity, and we are here to discuss only about.
And being a council member.
Yes, sir. So, there is no.
Thank you.
He says that this declaration, he says, to update and upgrade the quality of education of architecture in region. Second, to formulate uniformity and recognition of regional bylaws, municipal administration procedures and common policy for housing board, development authorities and regulating master plans of the major cities of the region. Governing and monitoring of architectural competitions and generate professional awareness in the NC detailed matrix, time sharing and secondary duties, responsibilities and liabilities of architects print material for common use of the region. Other matters of region's common interest for the cause of betterment of the profession. To organize exhibitions, seminars, workshops and conferences in the region for general and specific awareness within the profession and the society for a better and healthy architecture of tomorrow. To institute any other award in the field of architecture and building industry to make awareness amongst the profession and the society. To implement the above objectives, it has been therefore resolved, not resolved, but it is proposed to, it should be proposed to have a rational NCRC committee with the camp office of NCRC with focus chapter of IIM. The rotational committee shall consist of chairman of the 7 chapters and joint secretaries of the focus chapter to look into the various aspects with selection of chairman NCRC for a period of 2 years in rotation, offering the chain of office to the elected chairman NCRC. Committee shall be 2 years. A meeting of committee shall be called any discussion. So,
which are already mentioned in IIM. The implementation of this objective are to be decentralized, or to what extent we are in. And many times what happens that at implementation level or at the time of intervention, okay, you may be problematic at national level to tackle a problem of Bhopal at local. Okay, so similarly for that particular point or intervention, you require a decentralization. And for that decentralization, you have a chapter and the center. Now, we are putting up some organization between chapter and the center. Now, what I am saying that when you are putting up your objectives, the objectives related to promotion, that is coming together, recognizing the thing efficiency by say giving awards. So whatever is the promotion of the architecture is concerned, okay, very good. You have one organization at least. But
That is already there, sir.
that is okay.
No, even these, the IA is divided into 5 regions already.
All right. I'm coming to that. No. So that means we are not denying that regionalization is not necessary. Okay, it is necessary. But its limitations of activities should not overlap. And at the same time, it should not be again an authority above chapter, because we have a problem at Bhopal. Today what we are saying that we are asking IA to give us permission to go for litigation. Tomorrow what will happen that we will ask permission from the central regional, northern central region, and then it will go for IA. So for implementation or the things which are already spelled out in IA things, so that it doesn't overlap, it doesn't create further confusion, and at the same time it satisfies the needs. That is number one. Number two, as you say, there are 5 regions already identified. Now in any system, we go parallel. That means when we have talked of IIM chapters, we are parallel to the Indian federal system. That means you have a center, then you have chapter at every state level, and every town level you have centers. So knowingly, unknowingly, we are parallel to the system of government. Now, these 5 regions are identified in the COA, that is Council of Architecture.
even higher.
No, what happened that there was II, but now what happens that in COA you have a definite mark regions. So what is happening that when we are talking northern central, we are again creating an area. That means instead of 5 we are making it 4. So R4 we are going against that decentralization indirectly. That means instead of bringing 7 states together, if you make 4 and 3, which is already existing in that system, that means that decentralization part will remain. Whereas when we are bringing 4 and 3 to 7, you are going against the policy of decentralization on which the entire thing depends. So it has got a little contradictions and confusion within it. And that is where the rationalization of scope is required. That where we should limit, that this is going to be the scope. Very much appreciated for conducting regional conferences. Okay, most welcome, we should have. That means it should be, it can be a northern central region for promotion. So that decentralization system and that framework did not be disturbed. So we are neither going against the system of CA, we are neither going against the framework of IA, but within the gambit of that, we work in the interest for bringing some integration and still maintaining the decentralization. That is how we have to do. This is my suggestion.
I had 5 regions. And there was a regional committee and a regional chairman. It was for the 2 terms. And out of that, say for central, then 9 representatives. Other it may be a 12 representatives. And among 12, they used to elect a region chairman. But what happened? Reason unknown to anybody. But on saying that when the chapter chairmen are representing chapters in council, why then now regional chairman should come to council and council should bear the expenses? And then that process was discontinued. So from central, first regional chairman was Virat Thakur, then one from MP, Bilal, it was decided to. And the same issues came up. It is a duplications. Every information is there. It is a set system. Whatever at the parent level decision taken, it is proliferated to central level, and chapter is coordinated. Now, in addition to that, even it was. In addition to that, what addition we are giving to either of the region or a chapter and center. Now center and chapter has to work in whose guidelines, under whose directives, the parent body and NCR.
And as well as on this document, is that you were talking about the regional concept propagated few years back, and that was not a success. That was formal.
It was not successful. It was successful.
Okay, whatever.
It was successful. An arrangement was made to have a regions with the formal structure. That was the 3rd tier members were elected. The structure was, everything was defined, and that is not continued. As far as your thing is concerned, COS, that is not arrangement by COS. That is our IA internal arrangement. We have decided each representative from each region. That is our internal thing. That is also that part is forward. That is our
again the framework of IA.
IA framework.
Why regional came up?
Sir, please.
Okay. Let him
Please.
complete.
Regional formal structure has gone, but regional conferences, especially in South region, has been a continuous success story.
Yes.
But that has not been so
In
in central and in North region. For that to, like, if one region is not intensified, then jointly he thought 2 regions could intensify the activity. And what he has worked out is not a formal structuring. That is informal understanding between the chapters of this region to intensify activity. That's all. He is very particular when using the term declaration. He has not put the resolution or the recommendation or a decision. Because then it will become formal thing. Declaration is informal. It is sort of memo of understanding between us. We will intensify activity in this thing without any formal structuring it. Like if we reach to this chairman for the northern central regional region, we can say he could be a coordinator for a term. One person, one chairman can coordinate the 7 chapters. Then it could move on rotation. His chairman becomes formal. Coordinator could be informal. Then today he is coordinating. Next time he could coordinate. There will be no hierarchy then in that case. No succession, no succeeding. Just informal arrangement. Similarly, we can informally meet at the Executive Council and work out, let's move to this region and do this, a joint effort, or with understand. So in that spirit, we can formulate an informal arrangement. If all of us agree, if we don't agree, we dissent to it, there's nothing, we can just discontinue from here. We had a good success story for one event. In future, if this situation comes to that, we will again work out. Otherwise, we work in the formal frame which is existing. That will be always there. Right, sir?
Sir, there is some correction required. We had proposed Rajasthan last time, but somehow Rajasthan could not. So this time, Gujarat was proposing, and this came up. So then ultimately we joined. Next year, again Gujarat or MP or Rajasthan will organize this regional conference. Yes, I have been told that this NCRC should be every 2 years.
This is not 2 years.
There's a proposal.
Yeah, it can
Huh.
be,
Every
we just
2
put a
years.
framework, to discuss.
I think up to that point, there's no disagreement.
No, even we can have every year, but if we have two separate, northern and central, then we will be having 2 events in a 1 year. Now, this way we are having 1 year, so at times it becomes an activity that's too much to attend and to participate. We disintegrate, right? That may be the situation. This may not be. If we don't have it, there is no point in we can have a separate central zone and a northern zone next year.
No, I have come late. I'm sorry, but I would not like to unnecessarily interfere. Let everyone say. The only thing I would like to tell my friend, but then I'll speak later. Let me hear. Is it? Let us not use the term agree or disagree. We are not here to solve any issue. We are here to maybe things put in a betterment of this. Let us not say agree. Means whatever happens is best for us, right? Because all of us are sitting together. It is a round table conference. Anyway, sorry. Then I would say later.
No, first of all, I would like to congratulate my friend Elisha to work out something in which he has been able to bring 2 regions together. This is for the first time that has happened. And
Counselor to all chapters who have cooperated.
earlier, the regional concept
नहीं वो
is
इन्होंने क्या
Counselor to all chapters.
also congratulate other who agreed to come together.
Agreed to come together at this place.
अब गाड़ी कौन
I
मारेगा?
am sorry for
सारे.
the. I thought it is inherent in that. Anyway, to that extent, it's a very good idea. And the concept of regional distribution is also an accepted idea in IAS. Regional chairman, the observation that the system has been discontinued is not correct. It is dysfunctional.
Yes.
I mean, nobody is scared to, take advantage of the provisions of regional distribution, which is already inherent in our system. Is practiced for the purposes of IA representative on COA and many other purposes. It is already accepted. The regional conferences are going on. What you have done is a good thing, and this is out of the success of Northern Regional Conference last year that we were emboldened to enlarge the scope of participation this time with Central Region. The idea should not give an appearance of Northern Region and Central Region ganging up together with the exclusion of the other 3 regions. It should be taken in a very positive way.
Thank you.
अभी मुझे देना होगा.
Maybe
I just
40 moment I will छोड़ देना.
what you have to say is it has the substance, but only thing is, we can play many goals and many objectives can be achieved. But if one goal which we are trying to project, if at least we in rotation, at least rotate into these 7 sectors and conclude that circle first, and then we can move to this, as you rightly said, maybe to the center or to the zonal, to the southern or that part. My suggestion would be that as our friends have now come to Delhi and we've been closer to each other, and then maybe the next conference we may hold in Ahmedabad or in Rajasthan, Jaipur or in Bhopal somewhere, then we go there, and then what happens is that we really interact and project our thoughts. Maybe at the national level we have, but this regional level makes us so closer to each other that there are certain variety of problems which the region has very specific problems. Maybe see, now there is another region which is adjoining northern, but that is central, and we are together. Maybe when we talk about even Noida center, they are closer to us, but they are in in UP chapter. So there are certain things which the chapters which are closer to the adjoining chapters have the similarity of problems, can resolve those problems, not deeply into the chapter's affairs, but onto a broader perspective from this forum. And that forum is only when we really hold in our conferences, we really demarcate certain problems, but these are the demarcating problems.
Gujarat's problems are more akin to Maharashtra problems for that.
Yeah.
Right? And like UP's problems are more akin to Bihar's problems, which includes other 10.
With your permission, can I say something on this? When he started this Northern Central Regional Conference and you conceive the idea, the basic thing is to add on the activity, or you can say add a gem in the IEA IEA Northern Chapter or Central Region, or you can say National Council, or to the whole India. It is a addition of the activity. My dear friend, that is my thinking. We should not involve ourselves into a particular reason. We should involve ourselves in a particular direction, to go somewhere at the peak, at the height, in the allied class. It is like, yes, Sridhar Joshi is saying that we are in the process of decentralization. It is not that kind of things. We are not decentralizing anything. That is a separate structure, like we have centers, we have chapters. We should not involve in that kind of. We are not making another kind of fourth tier system in this our three-tier system. We have the three-tier system, chapter, chairman, and national council. We are not giving any fourth dimension in this issue. But for the purpose of adding the activity, this is a kind of activity. Yes, we are starting in the 7 chapters. Other 7 chapters can be united, can do a similar kind of activity. This is a kind of activity. It doesn't mean that we are imposing something on some other part, or we are neglecting some other part of the country. Like a food or not, that is immaterial, because we are not professional leaders. We are a political leader of Indian Institute of Architecture. So that is our prime duty to concern the all. So when we are talking in facility, it means we should consider it as an activity. Whether it is activity of a Northern Central region, yes, it is Northern Central region. Next time it is Central or Southern region, yes, it is okay. But formulation of Northern Central region is one activity. Formulation of other chapter is other activity. Formulation of other 3 chapters regional is other activity. Yes, JOB is correctly saying that we have the National Council, National Convention Council. That is all the part of the activity. It is not including in any our 3-tier system. It is not there. We have 3-tier system that this is beside the subject. This is structure beside the subject. Our election procedure is beside the subject. Whatever we are doing is beside the subject, but this is the activity. I think activity is not so debatable. What we are thinking and what we are looking for. The main purpose of doing this is to unite someone, to say something on a particular platform. Okay, we are here 6 or 7 chapters here. Next time we will join together 10 chapters. That is part of activity. Treat it as an activity, not as a structure.
उसी एक्टिविटी को मेरा थोड़ा डिफरेंट करना चाहता हूँ। ये वांट्स टू से
इसके ऑब्जेक्टिव्स में पढ़ें। ऐसी कोई नई ऑब्जेक्टिव नहीं है जो आपके आय के मेन ऑब्जेक्टिव में हो। इसके पीछे भावना है एक्टिविटी चलाने के लिए यूनाइट करना। मैं नहीं समझता हूँ कि आप एक्टिविटी चलाने के लिए या जुड़ने के लिए एक कोई फॉर्मेशन की जरूरत है। आज चरणजीत सिंह जी के दिमाग में बात आई, उनका व्यवहार था, उनने सबसे अनुरोध किया, सब लोग इकट्ठे हो। अगर ये फॉर्मल नहीं बनता तो भी सब आ रहे हैं। आप अगली बार बुलाओगे फिर आएंगे, अगली बार ये कर रहे हैं ये बुलाएंगे, आप चले जाओ। इट इज नॉट कोई फॉर्मल गठन कर।
That's why I am saying this is not formation of the structure. This is a kind of activity. What we are doing.
This is giving an impression of a formal. Sorry, you want to say? It is giving. Your intention is not there. I agree.
No, sir. When you are going to decentralize your system, then there is a need of a time that you should unite partially also.
I think so. We do it.
Otherwise,
like for example,
happen,
next year I would like to see a situation where we do the Northern Eastern Conference or maybe Northern Southern Conference. I would like to see a situation, and we be a part of, let us say, koi aur we be a part of that. So the unit of cooperation, I would like to see it as a region to region, rather than 2 regions doing it together on a continuous basis. to any two regions doing it all over the country will achieve better results for the same purpose.
I think what you are saying, what is proposing is also has a subtype and one requires sort of three forms.
Central Northern region का हम fraternity of architects, we are talking about the profession of architects. It is not the question of Northern Central region or Central Northern region or Eastern Northern region or Southern Northern region. We are always talking about the profession of architecture, and we should uplift the profession of architecture by coming together. हम 7 लोग एक साथ आए, आप इसको नेशनल कन्वेंशन बना लीजिए और 8 लोगों को और इकट्ठा कर लीजिए, सब आएंगे. जो अपलिफ्टमेंट है सोसाइटी का आर्किटेक्ट के लिए, व्हाट द थीम वाज द टीम लीडर, उसके हिसाब से सोसाइटी में क्या है, सोसाइटी में आप 7 एक साथ होइए या 10 एक साथ होइए, सोसाइटी को उससे कोई मतलब नहीं. सोसाइटी को ये मतलब है कि आप इस रीजन में आर्किटेक्चर के लिए क्या कर रहे हैं. मेरा तो कहना ये है कि इसको कोई फॉर्मल वो ना करते हुए हम हर बार कोशिश ये करें कि कहीं भी कुछ इस जोन में, और लेट अस से दैट इस जोन में जितने भी कॉन्फ्रेंसेस हो रही है सब यूनाइटेड होकर के एक साथ करें and show the society कि हम कुछ कर सकते हैं for the profession of architecture.
Understood.
Right? There is a national event of a very large scale which moves on to 25 states. This way, that way, and it is not reaching to every place. It can't reach that. Then we have a system that we can have at chapter level. So chapter will have lower scale, and at times chapter were not in a position to have regular annual event. They were not finding it difficult. They were too complicated. Then the concept of in between one slot was created, that was region. The region could have a scale lesser than the national and higher than the chapter. Give a bigger scale and to give the breathing times to chapter. So it could rotate in different chapters, and they can have a 2-3 years gap to have another event instead of annually to release them. And if at one region, if all the region, 5 regions could have a regular annual event, is fine. We are having 5 events and 5 regions annual and 1 time. But if the one region is having a gap, not continuing regularly, then two geographically adjacent regions would again confederate, come together and have it in rotation. So have not geographically we have to intensify the activity. That was the point.
Geographically,
listen to me. If central region and northern region both finds that both can have regular annual events, then there is no point in coming to them for activity. You can always have one that's there. In northern we can rotate, in southern we can rotate amongst the chapters.
Sometimes you can club also.
You can club also. That need not be a formal thing.
My intention behind
Sir, let me complete. Your intention was not for having a formal thing, which I'm very clear saying, it was informal understanding, what you intended. And apprehension of Devikush is also there. There is a possibility that this understanding, if documented on a paper, could be taken interpreted in the negative manners also. That they are ganging up.
No doubt your intention.
बगावत की बू आ रही है.
नहीं बगावत की बू नहीं है.
नहीं बगावत की नहीं.
That can be taken that way also. He is very correct in saying his observation, his apprehension is correct. It's not ruled out.
नहीं that's right.
That is there. So we are very clear that we are saying that it's a declaration, but others may take it as a resolution. It is about the formal.
I mean, this is a mental block can anywhere.
That's the apprehension.
You can't
mental
stop.
block.
That mental block cannot be stopped by anybody.
Yes, that's
See,
it.
when you talk about region, when you please come, Dr. Vasu, please. Please come. Dr. Vasu is special invited to this meeting, so he will please. I welcome you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you.
can I have a small introduction?
Dr. Vasu is the former director of School of Planning and Architecture. He is a special invitee for this, so he will highlight something onto the education aspect.
Why don't you finish, then I can, you can call me?
No, as an observer we don't mind, I think there is no problem.
As long as all your committee members agree.
Yeah, I think as an observer there is no problem.
Yeah, as
As an observer there is no problem.
Yeah.
So my submission was only, see that block can also be thought.
There are certain chapters which are lively chapters, there are certain chapters which are not up to that
this thing. So purpose was is when we unite together, we club together, we can generate that sort of an infrastructure within us, helping infrastructure. Suppose now Gopal is there with us, or somebody else is there. No, I mean even for the national convention.
No, sir, here I think so many people are talking together. You wanted to say. We are already one.
Can you think?
Like to ask everyone also is trying to say informally, single level. And then we say maybe if we get united, what you just now said. My viewpoint as far as I am concerned is that IIA is always united. So we don't have to say we are united and the other people are not united. So let us not talk in those terms. As I suggested to observe, let's not say agreement and points are there. We also have a chairman of a chapter which has just been formed. As you know that there were certain apprehensions about whether this chapter should be like this or not, right? So, as far as IIA is concerned, the aim of not get divided into separate unifications under, outside the constitution of IIA. The constitution of IIA has already given us chapters, centers, regions. Office bearership of regions was discontinued not because of the not working of those regions, because regions don't have to do any work. Regions only have to consider that yes, that region is there, because there was one single point: Central Region Conference, having Central Eastern Conference, having Northern Western Conference, should be as a healthy sign for letting, instead of one region getting together, two regions getting together. One, for the sake of having more people. Second, for the sake of, as he said, sometimes some regions may not be able to having this conference. But in no way it should give an impression that today we say this Northern Central Regional Conference will be held. Tomorrow it should not give an idea that if Central Regional wants to have their own conference, they will not be having their own conference. Just a minute, let me complete. And Northern Regional will not be having. So let the region be there, whether we want to have 3 at one time, whether we want to have 2 at one time, whether we want to have only 1 at one time. One more point, which has been repeatedly said by various speakers, that as some of the proximity of a particular center help Noida, or then only we'll go and help Gurgaon, or then only we'll help go next door and help them. Why can't the Northern chapter sitting in Delhi otherwise also, as part of the IAA's bigger chapter, can help anyone across India? This has been said, please, this has been said 9 years back. Sorry, about 3 years back also, when we had the SAR conference, there was a request at the dais. Our friend was the chapter chairman or the vice chairman of the chapter at that time when Noida center was being formed, right? That because of the Noida's proximity, let this chapter be, center be with no. It cannot be. The Constitution of Indian Institute of Architects says that the chapters are with the state. Once there is a state, there is a chapter, or there is a union territory, there is a chapter. We have the Northern chapter because we still have Delhi, Himachal Pradesh, and Jammu. The idea is that that's why I said that let everyone complete, so that's what I'm saying. So if you don't want me to say anything, I will not say anything. Right? So it is not cutting short of the point, because here what we need is the real introspection of the whole thing. Here what we need is not that jumping into a conclusion and just deciding, let us do this. As long as having conferences, as long as having meetings, getting 2 chapters, 2 centers, 2 regions together, 100%. Let us do that. It is very good. But at no given time, we as individuals, as members of the center, as members of the chapter, or members of the region, should at any given time give an indication. If someone says there is a doubt, I say even a slight indication of the idea, as if someone else is not doing anything, we are the people who are going to tell them this is how to promote education. No, we have to get together and let IIA tell everyone how to promote education. Why should anyone else? Let it come from the IIA central body. That is what is more important. It's not what my region is going to say, what his region is going to say, what anyone else is going to say. And for that, the moment we sit down and start signing few things, it gives an impression, as it used to be in Britishers' time, that maybe something is being in the declaration is being sent to the London Roundtable Conference and this came from this region. Let us not know that.
The main objectives of what we propose here is not different from the main objectives of the IA. And the way we are really proceeding, like we are going to have a northern central regional conference. It may not sometime happen that the chapter thought of this way, to have all these activities at this chapter level. I think it's more appropriate if we should, it's most welcoming to have all these sort of meetings, different places, but not certainly a sort of resolution to certain topics. So it's more appropriate. These all aims, objectives of the Institute of Architects already should be taken at office. We are meeting in the Bombay itself, in the headquarters. And if not at somewhere, definitely we can proceed with
I think whatever, of course, if we are all getting together, and we must do within the framework of the AIA. Of course, we must do all the activities so that we are more closer to each other, so that we can understand the problems of each other and solve together, so that when we think together, then we can understand each other and we can solve the problem. I think there is no harm in getting together. Of course, but to formalize in a formal way should not be correct, but it can be informally.
So like national council, national body has been formed, chapters and centers have been formed.
The activities of chapters and centers are...
This is a one particular activity that is concerned with all the other activities of the chapter and center. We are going to unite chapters and centers only on one forum to have this conference a similar feature in all the states, so that a particular region can be united
and exchange their views.
What you said?
Like national convention, this time is being held in...
I think you are excluding one set of it's all are existing. There is a central level activities, chapter level activities, even though there are chapter conventions are there, and regional conventions are being held. By just a but this is the first time that two regions have come together and hold on. Now I think there is one concession that the seed what has been sold there to join more than two regions should continue, should take share. But I think most of the people, members have an opinion that it should not take a formal form and it should not remain only central and northern. Can be a northern, southern, northern, western, central, eastern, central.
Yes,
So
this is the initiative.
So point is this. That is what is emerging out of
within the chapters and must have a formulation of certain things. From where I had the guidelines. It was under the leadership of Mr. Girish Mistry. He said that if you have some sort of system, you can advise. I just framed out certain things. कि भाई इस तरीके से समझिए. अब इसमें ये देख लो, अगर पहली बार था कि नॉर्दर्न सेंट्रल रीजनल जो कॉन्फ्रेंस हम कर रहे हैं, एक हमने इनिशिएटिव लिया नॉर्दर्न चैप्टर में.
With the August gathering here, do you think that there is a need of continuation?
Or we stop?
if you think that there is a need of continuation of this Northern Central Regional Conference, a chain to flow into Rajasthan, to flow into Madhya Pradesh, to flow into other things we can talk, Northern region, powers, this, IIA doing this, that, let them do whatever you feel like independently, I can go to Noida, we can go to this, that. But here what we say is that at least these 7 chapters, if seriously come to a conclusion
that today, okay, we have, with your help and assistance and guidelines, able to do this here. And next time, if someone would like to follow this chain, or we just stop it, that this is different.
And not necessarily after next year or after one. Northern and central should be. It can be left to at that time situation whether northern and eastern wants to join, central and western wants to join, but it should continue. And if no one is joining, then after 2 years we will continue. Then again we can have central or northern. Suppose northern and eastern is not joining, central is not joining with anyone, then that could be another central, northern central region after 2 years.
Mr. Chairman, can I repeat what I said little earlier? That the constitutional provisions are not within the purview of 2 regions to sit together and change. There are regional provision for regional conference, chapter conference, center conference, young architects conference, national conference. It is very good that the 2 regions get together and do 1 regional conference. 3 regions get together, do that. At no given time, it should give an impression that the central region on a day wants to have a conference, then starts thinking, ये तो 2 साल बाद northern central करना था, अब मैं ये करूँगा या ये करूँगा. This happens because when suddenly Indore wanted to hold, I know why the central region conference this time couldn't be held, because Indore wanted to hold the national conference. Yes. So it was not possible that they, in the same year they hold the central region. So this is a good opportunity. That opportunity may not be there with the central and northern all the time. It may be at one given time be there with the eastern and western. When they find that because of this, so eastern will say, okay, let me take care of the regional conference, you take care of the national conference, or you take care of the young architects festival. This is what I said. The formalization of this gives an impression, no, I would say that, which I was trying to validate, that we are trying to maybe create another body somewhere down the line. Let us not do that. The aims and objectives of this written document are like Bible to me as it is. Since my involvement in IIA, I would not say that any of the points mentioned here are not closer to my heart or closer to any of the people sitting or are concern of anyone, but it doesn't need to be again that someone has to put his hand there with the Mombatti there and saying I swear so and so. We have already done that as individual members of IIA. Thank you. There are certain practical problems.
MP chapter is जमा होता 2 साल बाद हम हट गए. कोई आ गया बोलता हम तो नहीं जाते नॉर्दर्न सेंटर करते रहो आप. अभी तो we are very fortunate कि all the chapter chairmen are like-minded. तो आपने ये कर दिया. सर एक से पूरी कर लें. चैप्टर चलाना बड़ा मुश्किल है. फिर इसके आप मीटिंग करेंगे. किसके पास टाइम? फाइनेंसेस कहाँ से? फिर आप किसी को बोलो यार इसके उसमें जाना है. प्रैक्टिकल प्रॉब्लम भी देख लीजिए.
नेशनल काउंसिल अगर इस पॉइंट पे बहुत कीन है कि हमारे पास फंडिंग नहीं है, हमारे पास वॉलेंटियर्स नहीं है जो आके काम करें, हमारे पास फाइनेंसर नहीं है जो आके हमें फाइनेंस करें हमारी इवेंट को, तो मैं नेशनल काउंसिल में भी लोग यहाँ बैठे हैं जो वहाँ पर रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं. मैं उन सबसे ये पूछना चाहता हूँ कि जब हम लोगों के सेंटर या चैप्टर फॉर्मेट किए जाते हैं, बनाए जाते हैं, क्या इस पॉइंट का किसी को अंदाजा होता है? रिसेंट एग्जाम्पल जो कि मेरे रिसेंट चंडीगढ़ में भी थे, हरियाणा चैप्टर को लेते हैं. चंडीगढ़ के अंदर चंडीगढ़ पंजाब सेंटर आज की डेट में अलग और चंडीगढ़ में ही हरियाणा चैप्टर खुला.
that headquarters is in
सर
Faridabad.
सर हेडक्वार्टर कहीं भी हो, मैं आपको बताऊँ, हमारे कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन में ये है, स्टेट की जो कैपिटल है तो चैप्टर का हेडक्वार्टर माना जाएगा, चेयरमैन का जो रेजिडेंस या ऑफिस एड्रेस है दैट इज कैंप ऑफिस। सर चंडीगढ़ में एक फाइनेंसर है, चंडीगढ़ में 2 चैप्टर। आज मैं चेयरमैन हूँ पंजाब चंडीगढ़ का, मेरे एक फाइनेंस से बहुत अच्छे लिंक है, वो मुझे फाइनेंस करता है मेरे इवेंट के। हरियाणा के चैप्टर चेयरमैन अगर वहाँ जाते हैं, कहते हैं भाई साहब आप हमें फाइनेंस करें, मिस्टर बलबीर वर्मा प्लीज, वो आदमी कहता नहीं मैं आपको फाइनेंस नहीं कर सकता, मैं तो युद्धवीर हूँ, इज माई गुड फ्रेंड। क्या नेशनल काउंसिल ने उस वक्त फॉर्मेशन करने के लिए सोचा कि फाइनेंसर हम लोग कहाँ से जुटा पाएंगे?
Excuse me, sir.
सर प्लीज लेट मी फिनिश माय। अगर इस तरीके की चीज़ें वहाँ नहीं सोची जाती, वहाँ सेंट्रलाइजेशन डिसेंट्रलाइजेशन की बातें सोची जाती हैं, तो यहाँ क्यों? पहली बात। दूसरी बात, अगर हम लोगों के पास वॉलेंटियर नहीं है, हम लोगों के पास सोर्स ऑफ इनकम नहीं है, तो फर्स्ट पॉइंट हमारा क्या होना चाहिए? वी शुड क्रिएट आवर ओन रिसोर्सेज। अगर हमने खर्चा करना है तो वी शुड इंक्रीज आवर अर्निंग्स। एक घर में भी ऐसा होता है, एक स्टेट में भी ऐसा होता है, एक कंट्री में भी ऐसा होता है, और पूरे दुनिया में ऐसा होता है। अगर आज हम लोग अपनी अर्निंग्स के बारे में नहीं सोच रहे और चैप्टर सेंटर बना जाने क्या क्या बनाए जा रहे हैं, तो मैं समझता हूँ देयर इज नो पॉइंट टू रिप्रेजेंट द इंडियन इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ आर्किटेक्ट्स। वी आर नॉट हियर जस्ट टू सर मेरी बात सुनिए, मैं जब फिनिश करूँगा तो आपको मौका दिया जाएगा। कोई भी ऐसी एक्टिविटी जिसमें फाइनेंस की इन्वॉल्वमेंट होती है, हमारे पास लोगों का टाइम नहीं है, कौन आएगा कौन, वी आर ऑल वॉलंटियर। अगर हमको 5 मिनट का नोटिस दिया जाता है कि आप लोगों ने ये काम करना है, अगर हम वॉलंटियर हैं तो हमें करना पड़ेगा। वी हैव टू, बिकॉज वी आर पॉलिटिकल रिप्रेजेंटेटिव of Indian Institute of Architects, not professional representative.
What you are saying, all this points were when one set of members, required set of members desires the chapter, constitution permits. One more thing, it was discussed, deliberated, and when that chapter says we are able to perform, so it is within the purview of those members who are proposing a chapter. It was discussed. I mean, you can discuss further.
सर मैं अभी युद्धवीर से बात से कहना चाहूँगा कि किसी भी स्टेट का चैप्टर होना हमारी कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन, लेकिन कहीं भी नॉर्दर्न सेंट्रल रीजनल कॉन्फ्रेंस का बनाना शायद हमारे पूर्व में नहीं है। हम लोग 77 थे, हम नहीं बना सकते थे चैप्टर। हमने ये देखा कि चंडीगढ़ CHP चैप्टर जो है उसकी कुछ एक्टिविटीज़ नहीं है, उसकी रिप्रेजेंटेशन नहीं है डिफरेंट सिटीज से। उसके सब करने के बाद हमने सोचा कि इसका एक चैप्टर बन सकता है, क्यों ना बनाया जाए। लेकिन इसका कहाँ पर प्रोविजन है हमारे इंस्टीट्यूशन में? इसलिए मैं आपसे सिर्फ ये पूछना चाहता हूँ, आपने ये बात करी कि
Is it the subject what we are discussing?
हम सब्जेक्ट से डेविएट
सर मैं इसी चीज़ का जवाब देना चाहता हूँ। मैं इसी चीज़ का जवाब देना सर मैं
I just told you whatever doubts that
whatever and we are sitting, we are discussing.
I already gave a ruling on this subject. Whatever you want to discuss, we discuss with your chapter.
So many things which
Sir, Haryana issue is out of context here. There was no point in this.
But there is no Haryana issue.
Like,
Tomorrow, no. So I would say, when UP chapter was made from northern chapter,
This is what he is saying. This is not the issue.
Not out of critics. It is not issue.
That's why I am saying finance constant. No, finance constant and the volunteering is not an issue.
No problem.
we can discuss. We
I
can.
think it is more attitude, you know. If
Yeah,
I
yeah.
want to do something,
Sir,
it is more attitude. It is not the monetary part.
No, sir. Earlier, my good friend Rob is saying that we
We don't have this is the pressure. मैंने जो कहा that was the pressure problem. And what I am saying that is also a practical thing.
Once it is not being discussed,
Not to discuss. Yeah. Not to discuss.
I already said you what you're talking about. Let us see.
Sir, please, sir. No problem. Please, sir. That is not as agenda point, whatever you can say. And the thing we started deliberating on it, it's a consensus that we don't want to give a shape to it, not formal shape. We don't want to enter into a gang of thing or whatever, good intention or whatever. It's over now. If there is second point on the agenda for the meeting, we can have. Otherwise, we can have vote of thanks and discuss for the next.
no tea.
So,
why beat around the bush?
No.
When the consensus says there is no need of any continuation of Northern Central Regional Conference.
I have a proposal.
Yes.
I have a proposal. See, I don't think that everybody thinks negative about this.
No.
See, just a moment. As I have heard. See, what I say that we can come out with a resolution that such integrated regional activity or regional conferences are recommended, and we should find out a way to make conference to continue the
My submission to that is only that when we have here the 7 chapters, chairman here, can we really resolve something here? No. Resolve means onto this, that, onto futuristic 1 year, we can promote certain things onto the Southern Digital Conference.
We resolve to leave it for the time for the next executives to decide among themselves. What is that?
हम कोई disagree नहीं कर रहे कि होना चाहिए.
We not disagree, but we are not here recorded.
I'm ready to volunteer. I'm ready to volunteer. Even the regional conference is not mandatory.
Yes.
Even regional conference is not an requirement.
Now we have clubbed with 2
chapters.
Two regions have clubbed.
Yes.
हो सकता है कल 3 हो जाए.
Next we have one at Haryana.
State wise भी कर सकते हो. You can have 5 chapters to it.
and Central region at Gujarat.
We hope that
कल आप पूरे बड़े किसी रीजन में 3 चैप्टर भी आप
एक सेकंड सर देगा कुछ साहब. दूसरी जो आप मैं जो बात मैं तो खत्म वोट ऑफ थैंक्स दे रहा हूँ.
हो गया.
वोट ऑफ थैंक्स दे रहा हूँ. अच्छा आप बोलोगे. वो मैं जो बात कर रहा था वॉलंटियर्स है इसकी. आप यहाँ दिल्ली में बैठे हो. हम सब बाहर से आए. दिल्ली के कितने आर्किटेक्ट कॉन्फ्रेंस?
No, let us not discuss.
नहीं यार आउट ऑफ देखो वोट ऑफ थैंक्स हो गया.
अभी चौपाल भी है सर.
सही कहा बिल्कुल सही कहा. चौपाल
सर आज का ओनली ये है एजेंडा और फाइंडिंग्स कि सारे चैप्टर चेयरमैन ने
बैठ के बात होगी.
बैठ के
नहीं सर,
खड़े हो गए.
इवेंट को अप्रिशिएट and we have a constructive output of this
नॉर्दर्न
event.
चैप्टर ने नॉर्दर्न चैप्टर ने के चेयरमैन ने विद एग्जीक्यूटिव 6 चैप्टर के चेयरमैन को वेलकम किया, बुके दिया और 6 चैप्टर चेयरमैन ने नॉर्दर्न चैप्टर चेयरमैन सर छोड़ देना थैंक्स
5 को दिए.
हार्टिएस्ट थैंक्स दिए.
6 आया नहीं.
On behalf.
तो रिप्रेजेंटेटिव होगा उनका.
5
भी आएगा. अच्छा
We take it from Mr. Balbir from Punjab.
We accept thanks to Mr.
Please don't let him
No,
speak.
on behalf of all the people present here, and not vote of thanks, as thanks I present them.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Please.
फोटो दिला लाइक
Please.
Daily land
एक्शन देते
इस टाइम आ जाएगी.
आवश्यक है ये भी नहीं, लेकिन यहाँ पर साइन करने न करने का ऐसा कोई रेजोल्यूशन या डिक्लेरेशन नहीं करने का ये कतई मतलब नहीं है कि अगली बार नहीं हो.
बिल्कुल
ये कतई मतलब नहीं अगली बार नहीं हो. वॉलंटियर करे 7 चैप्टर एनी चैप्टर कम फॉरवर्ड.
No, please.
कंक्लूडिंग रिमार्क
Now we leave it to individual chapter to take this mission ahead. Now I formally propose to